Do you want to be a Minecraft YouTuber, but don't know how to start? Are you looking for some Minecraft video ideas? Look no further. In this video, I have 10 Minecraft video ideas for you. Watch until the end of the video and discover some Minecraft content ideas. Be creative with HitPaw Edimakor. The first idea is Minecraft tutorials. Minecraft has been around for a long time, but still has many new players every day. Since this is the case, it's easy to see why there would be a lot of interest in tutorial videos. And many players only want to watch basic tutorials. So if you are not a very skilled player, don't worry. Share your existing skills, and the viewers will like them. The second idea is speed build challenges. Speed build challenges are always popular on YouTube, because viewers always enjoy watching skilled players build impressive structures in a limited amount of time. It's very eye-catching and also showcases creativity and innovation. The third idea is hardcore survival. Everyone loves high-challenge videos. When you add the hardcore mode, the video will be very popular due to the increased challenges. There are many survival series on YouTube these days, but it was still very popular with the audience. Another video idea is doing a transformation to places in Minecraft. In Minecraft, there are many different auto-generated structures and locations, but the auto-generated places often appear not very good. So players have noticed they can change these generated environments to look better. Say you come across a village that was generated automatically. You could transform the village into a great location while retaining its original aspects. Those videos have many views because viewers love watching things transform before their eyes. The fifth idea is Minecraft Redstone tutorials. Redstone is a complex and versatile component in Minecraft that allows players to create advanced contraptions, machinery, and automated systems. It appears to be very difficult for new players. So, people would love your videos if you could provide clear and informative tutorials to them. The last idea is Minecraft challenges with friends. When people get together and play games always have a lot of fun. And people love to watch it because it makes them feel happy and calm. You will find the more fun you have in the game, the more views you gain. So, Minecraft challenges with friends is a very good YouTube video idea that you can make money and have fun at the same time. Okay, that's all the Minecraft YouTube video ideas. But wait, I haven't said the best part. The best part is that you can make all the videos using only one software. With HitPaw Edimakor, you can record this game with high quality and high definition, and without any delay or lag. After you record, you can easily edit it. Add background music, add effects, add subtitles automatically, and export in 4K quality. Isn't that great? Click the link in the description and download HitPaw Edimakor. Start your creative road now. Don't forget to subscribe, because we make videos all the time, and I don't want you to miss any. See you in the next video.